In the northern part of Vilnius, a new center for European biotech is growing. It's called BioCity, and it's home to Sauresta, a Lithuanian biopharmaceutical company developing modern biologic and biosimilar medicines for clinical use and large-scale production. To support the heating and production systems in these modern facilities, Lithuanian company Sauresta designed and installed industrial flue systems built for safety and efficiency. Here we see two double-wall stainless steel chimneys made for gas condensing boilers. They work in continuous condensate mode and ensure clean, stable operation. The inner diameters, 400 and 300 millimeters, were chosen to meet the needs of both the industrial heating system and technological processes inside the building. Each flue section is connected with silicone gaskets to keep the system fully sealed, even under 200 pascals of pressure. This prevents moisture from entering the insulation layer. Condensate is safely collected through a drain system, which also protects the boilers. Sauresta BioCity combines modern architecture with industrial precision, so the flues were integrated into the building facade and painted using the RAL color palette system to match the design. To make this possible, Sauresta engineered custom brackets, platforms, and offset elbows, aligning the flue perfectly with the boiler room layout. From order to installation, the whole process took about 1 month. For Lithuania, BioCity today is the symbol of innovation and sustainable growth. And for the Sauresta team, it's another project showing how precise engineering supports the future of high-tech industry in Lithuania.